Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is active or a supported Linux desktop and you have admin rights. Next, run the official Live Wallpaper engine installer. This is the only way we'll proceed. Once started, follow on-screen prompts to choose installation folder and components. If the package is blocked, temporarily disable antivirus, then re-enable it after install. Take these first steps now so the engine is present and ready for configuration. Once the engine is installed, open it and grant any required desktop overlay permissions. You choose the wallpaper type, a built-in animated scene, a web-based scene, or a local video file. Pick GPU-friendly formats like MP4 or optimized animation. Then configure performance settings. Set resolution scale, target FPS, and GPU priority so animations don't throttle other apps. Make sure to preview. You can crop or tile the source. These steps set visual quality versus performance balance. Finish by saving the engine profile and choosing when it runs, only on AC power, on battery, or both. Then enable Start with System so your wallpaper loads automatically. Test by locking and unlocking or rebooting. Confirm the animation resumes. If you see a black screen or no animation, update GPU drivers, set the engine to use the discrete GPU, and reduce resolution scale. That usually fixes rendering issues. If problems persist, restart the engine and reapply the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.